Hello guys, this introductory video aims to explain how you can become part of Darico's affiliate program. So as soon as you log into the dashboard, you go to the tab Affiliate and you click the button Become a Partner. Right after clicking the button, you will be redirected to this page where you can see your referral link, first of all. So you can directly copy paste it from here and share it in your social media, in your blog, or wherever you find it necessary to share. You will see here your commission, your rewardings, the total rewards, and the button Withdraw Funds. So you will be able to get the rewards that you have earned. Here you can see the commission history. If you click it, you choose your group and you can see all of your history of the past commissions. And here you can see also the referrals statistics. So if you click it, you will be able to see how many visits have you had with this referral link, so how many have clicked and how many from this link have registered in Darico's website.